When I never felt bad, come on, yeah. You gotta get up. When I never felt bad, come on, yeah. Never felt bad, come on, yeah. When I never felt bad, come on, yeah. You gotta get up.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Awesome Ava and Dorky Dad, and we are here making none other than another batch of slime. A special slime, because this slime does what?
Scents.
Smells like what? Cinnamon?
Mint.
Smells like cinnamon, and it has an awesome glitter look. What are you doing?
I don't like it. The
Here,
smell.
take a whiff. Take a whiff. You don't like the smell of cinnamon?
No.
Wow, it smells so good. All right, so we're going to show you. Yeah, so we're going to show you how to make this slime. What you're going to need is a half-cup measuring spoon, 1 cup, a container to mix. We already have water in this, so we're going to be careful.
And
We need
glue.
killer glue.
Borax.
We're going to need some borax.
Some glitter.
Glitter, yes, use with caution, especially if you're in your own house.
And
Ginger.
ginger and cinnamon.
All right, so our first thing that we're going to do is we need a half cup of clear glue. You got it? Slow down, slow down. Perfect. Okay, go ahead and put the lid back on that. And you can tell we are using some cardboard so we don't ruin our table.
Because it's wood.
And we also, when you're using your measuring cups, if you don't have old ones that kids could ruin with glue, it's important that you wipe these out right away so the glue doesn't settle. So,
Are those old?
no, these are mom's. Shh, don't tell her. All right, so there's that. There's a half cup of glue. All right, now our next step is we need, oh, we should have done that yet. I'm just kidding. All right, we need 1/4 cup or 1/4 teaspoon. Yuck, that is flying out of your mouth. 1/4 teaspoon of borax. So can you find the 1/4?
That's 1, 2. 1/4.
Okay. So why don't we get a scoop out of here if we can without making a mess.
Yeah, you don't want to mess.
One of the things that we learned last time when we made this batch, if you get too much borax in it, what happens?
It doesn't stretch as good, and it's like kind of super hard.
Go and pour that in there.
Put this in.
Alright, then we need a half cup of hot water. We have some really, really hot water right here, so we're going to have to be careful with this.
No, then what is that?
We're not going to use that because that cooled off.
Oh! Dad, I think.
Who spilled?
You.
Alright, you want to mix that up?
There's still glue in there.
Yep, so it'll just curl all that in there, won't it?
He kind of has mixed slime because he
All
goes.
mixed up?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think Ava's finished mixing up the borax and the water. That's all good to go?
Yes.
Okay, so before we add that to start making our slime, we need to add the cinnamon. So we need to do...
Don't add that much.
What? So we're going to add...
No,
oh, quit being dramatic. Quit being dramatic.
I'm not.
1/4. I don't think it was the cinnamon.
What is that?
Yeah, it was the ginger. So add the cinnamon. We did 1/4 cup of cinnamon. We'll put all the recipe stuff in the show notes. Now, it calls for 1/4 cup of ginger. We're not going to do that much because it was too strong last time, so we're just going to do just a little bit.
Mix.
So there's what it looks like. We're going to start mixing this up. And we're gonna do glitter. And so I just bought some of this Recollections glitter. It's just 0.3 ounces. It calls for about a tablespoon of glitter, but we'll just kind of toss in.
All of it.
Yeah, we'll just, at least most of it. That'll be good. How about half of it? We'll do half.
More glitter.
All of it? Oh my gosh. Alright, so we'll go ahead and mix
Mine is super shiny.
the clear glue, the cinnamon, and the ginger all together. So go ahead and keep mixing that. And once we got that mixed, we'll start adding in the water with the borax, and it'll start turning into what?
Slime.
Slime. Okay. You want me to pour in the borax water, or do you want?
I can.
You want me to do the mixing?
Yeah.
Okay, so just we'll do a little bit at a time. So start in the middle. So you do. Yeah, there you go. All right.
That's gonna be a lot,
And you can see it's going to start to kind of form into slime here. All right, we're gonna add some more. I don't think it's in the slime mode yet. It's right in the middle. All right. What do you think? You're the slime pro here. You know when it's good.
Not really, but. Where are you going?
Let's zoom the camera in so they can see. You just kind of keep mixing it.
Yeah.
You don't want too much of the borax solution because what happens?
Then it's like hard and you can't stretch it anymore.
All right, so how's that looking? What do you think?
Good.
And we able to grab it out, or we need a little bit more borax? What do you think?
A little more borax.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead and do that?
But who cares?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh. Yeah, this is coming slime now. Okay, it's slime now. Which one do I put
Sticky
in?
to your fingers?
Oh!
Do we need more borax?
No.
It's starting to all join together. Just get it out. Oh, it's pretty sticky.
I know, it turns out like that, and then you have to.
Now what do we do? Oh my gosh, it's like all over. Is it more borax?
I want to go.
What do we need?
Borax.
Oh yuck, this is like a big old snotty ginger.
I know, it starts like that. No!
Well, I know, did I do too much?
Yeah, kind of. He does not like that.
Yuck.
He did make slime, but he never did like mix it and stuff.
So what do I do? Just keep doing this?
Yeah. He did not like it. It's coming out.
Yeah, it's starting to turn out good.
I add the right amount of borax. And then, oh my! Oh, I can't hold it. I can't hold it.
Why?
Oh no. It says direct on here.
So, you just keep working it, adding the borax to get it the way you want.
And
And if you have like a cool jar, we have these little cool small mason jars you can store it in. And the beauty of it is it looks cool with the glitter. It smells amazing, like cinnamon, especially this time of year around snowy, cold days. And you can do this with anything. So you could get like silver glitter, make peppermint, all sorts of different scented slime. So go ahead and check the show notes on how to make this, make your own batch, and then let us know what you've created. All right, guys, stay awesome. I don't know where awesome Ava went to.
I'm right here.
What do you got?
This container, what? I don't know if Addie's, because mine was on the table of the whole.
Oh, you got these little cool containers that we got from Michael's, didn't we?
Nope, we got them for Christmas.
Oh, that's right.
Got these for Christmas. They're super good for slime and stuff.
Alright, you want to say bye? And I'm going to try to get this off my hand.
Achoo.
Huh? Bye,
See you later. And so once you just keep working with it, it'll stop being sticky. I know we ended with it looking like it was just a big old glue mess. And so what you can do is in your cup that has like the water and borax, you can just kind of dab it in there and just keep working it, and then it gets to a point over time where it turns out really nice. Now in our previous batch, we had a much darker one. And so if you want it darker like this one here with more gold, this one here is really like a more, almost like a copper look. All you gotta do is just add more cinnamon. This is what gives it the color. So the more cinnamon you add, the darker it gets in the complexion. So you can just kind of sample that to get what you want. The other cool thing with this slime too, and you'll see the picture that in the cover, is you can use cookie cutters to make cutouts, and it's just a really, really sharp looking slime. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing what you create, what new scents, flavors, color schemes you come up with. And as always, stay awesome.